wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are doing a full face, or as full as we can get, of Freck beauty, so you don't have to. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on these products and see what they look like when you're wearing them all together, let's go. You can see I already have something in my hand. So this is their Cactus and Vitamin C moisturizer. You know, so I'm starting out with a dry face because we're going to see how she feels on the face and how makeup applies over it. Let's go. Oh, I might have pumped that. I might have pumped out a little too much, but it has a citrusy, like lemony type smell to it. And then their primer that I have been using, it's a gripping primer, so love that about it. Ooh. Okay, so since they don't really have, if you hear something in the background, that is my washing machine. Since they don't really have complexion products like that, I'm gonna use this opportunity to go back to a foundation that I came across the other day, and I was just like, wow, what kind of happened to this? And then I went looking for it on Sephora, stuff like that, where they sell Beauty Blender, and I only see the new like skin tint version. I don't see this anymore. So did they discontinue it? And I mean, after everything that happened with this foundation, if they did discontinue it, but I have it on the face today. I'm going to use it with the Fenty concealer. They do have these cheek slimes, so I used both shades, and we're just going to blend that out. Okay, so I only have two things left to try. The first, I'm gonna use their Freck Noir. That's how I knew about the brand. They went viral for creating a product that you could use if you wanted to make fake freckles. Now, I don't do fake freckles, but what I do is draw on some more beauty marks. I naturally have one on this side of my face and over here. I got a breakout right there, which I need to be gone like tomorrow. So I'm just gonna make one on top of that. If I could open this. Okay. Ooh. I hate this part because my hand be shaking. But you know what? She's close enough. And then let's do one. Ooh, my hand is shaking, bro. Right there. Of course it's gonna shake like that on camera. It doesn't do that when I'm, you know, just doing makeup, but I'm on camera now, it's gonna be. And then the mascara Lash Rocket.
Okay. On my bottom lashes. Ooh. This is why certain steps I just be doing off camera, because that's how close I be getting to the mirror. All right, y'all, so this is my face. Now, they didn't have much, but I tried it, so you don't have to, but I'm telling you, you might want to try some of these products. I think the moisturizer and the gripping primer are the biggest, like, out of this, because the makeup sits really nice on top of them. The primer was not new to me. Been using that for a minute. Told you guys I like gripping primers. It does that. Makeup stays attached to it. Wears really nicely throughout the day. The moisturizer, I did feel a little hydrated after, you know, it's even dry face. So I use it as a moisturizer. I think I would use that in general, not just under makeup, but just, you know, as a moisturizer. I liked it. What else did I try? The blushes kind of remind me of the e.l.f., where it's giving very natural, very just like sinks into your skin to give you that type of natural blush. So if you're thinking like Juvia's Place, Rare Beauty, I mean, you probably could build up to that, but you know, sometimes you just gotta take a product for what it's for, what it's supposed to give you, and literally just go buy the products that give you that right out of the tube. So, you know, the clean girl aesthetics, like I don't wear foundation, it's just concealer, a little blush, and go about my business. That's probably more for you. I liked it. It came out nice, blended really easily on the face. The mascara is probably the only thing like, I probably won't pick that up again. Again, that is probably more for the like clean girl aesthetic. The you're not doing lashes, you're just throwing on mascara and going about your business. Mascara and gloss, isn't that what they call it? It showed up on my bottom, but I like a little bit more dramatic of an under eye, so I did go in with a different mascara because I have to film another video after this one. So I just need my face all together. And the freckle maker, again, I didn't use it to make freckles, so if that's what you're thinking of using it for, I can't tell you that much about it. But if you use it to draw on like little beauty marks, I did like it. So overall, I feel like this is a brand for the more, you know, natural, just easy and go type girlies. The full face girlies, could you use these products in your routine? Absolutely you could, but I just feel like, you know, natural, your skin but better, no makeup girlies is who this is going to gravitate more towards, except the primer, full coverage girlies, you know, sheer coverage girlies, all that type of stuff will probably like the primer. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped you and you're thinking of checking this brand out for yourself. Let me know in the comments down below what brand you want me to check out so you don't have to. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. My cramps are, bro. And it just kicks in like at the most random of times. I told you I film another video after this and I'm gonna have to take like a 5-minute break, pop some something, because baby, I remember what I was saying. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.